Hello, I hope you are well. This is a tutorial to teach you how to make a customer. The second step in your IVO life, the most important step, is to convert yourself in a customer, because you have to understand how the service work to be able to sell the service. First of all, from your personal web page, select the country in which you want to make the customer. For example, if you live in Africa, for example, Uganda, select the country. Then select the shop. Okay, this is the page of all the services available in your country. Select RS Academy. Agree. And after the disclaimer, you will land in the landing page of RS Academy for Africa market. Perfect. This is the page. Select the courses. Okay. To convert you in a CQ, you need this academy. Okay. The best way could be selecting Next Elite, but I understand that when you are starting your business, it's very good starting from Turbo. Select plan. After selecting the plan, you have to put your IBO number identification. You can meet the number identification on the top of your personal website. Okay, enroll now. It's very important for you to try the service. Maybe it could be only for a month, or if you like the service, if you fall in love with this incredible service, you will follow the next month with the payment of the service, or you can choose the other services. Okay, complete this page. Select the country. Very important. You have to put here your cellular number. Here you have to copy your business identification number and the IBO number, your identification number on the top of your page. You have to put it here. Your date of birth, email, and after it you have to put your credit card number. Okay, accepting the terms. Click to enroll now and pay the service for this month. After it, and the first month of your life as an independent business owner, you will receive a cashback because you are doing the CQ rank. Okay, so for every question, write me on Telegram or WhatsApp. If you need my help, please count them. See you soon.